Welcome to the Color Cooking Show! Red tomato soup. Woo-hoo! Green salad. Huh. Yellow banana smoothie. Orange carrot juice. Ah! Purple grape jam. Help! Pink strawberry cake. Pink strawberry cake. Brown chocolate cookies. White rice pudding. Black beans. Black beans. Blueberry muffins. Corn on the cob. Rainbow dish. Red foods are healthy for your heart.
Green foods give you energy. Yellow foods are great for strength.
And together they make eating fun and colorful.
Oops!
Cooking is fun, even when it is messy.
Cleaning is part of cooking. Teamwork makes it fun.
Great job, little chefs! You cooked, learned colors, and even cleaned up responsibly.